Good afternoon everyone. My name is Shalivahan Vishwajit. I am from Latur. My college name is Institute of Computer Education Latur, and I have completed my graduation. So from the college I got the reference for the Qspiders Wakad. So after graduation I have joined the Qspiders Wakad for Java full stack development course. So in that I have learned about the core Java, web technology and the SQL, and currently learning the advanced Java. But in that I got the one requirement for the Orstek private limited company. In that I have cleared the technical round and HR round, and I got the package of 3.25 LPA, and my designation is the L3 technical support. So I would like to thank my all the trainers, that's Akash sir, Tanmay sir and the Prakash sir, who helped me a lot in that. And I would like to thank the entire HR team of the Qspiders, who provided the grooming for me. And that's it. Thank you.